पुराने एक्टर्स का जुनून लोगों में ना पहले कम था और ना ही आज कम हुआ है। जैसे कि कहावत है, ओल्ड इज गोल्ड। आज भी लोग पुरानी फिल्मों और गानों को सुनकर उतने ही उत्साहित होते हैं जितने कि पहले हुआ करते थे। 1950 और 1960 के दशक में बॉलीवुड पर छा जाने वाली और गुलाम प्यासा जैसी फिल्मों में बेहतरीन भूमिका निभाने वाली अदाकारा वहीदा रहमान पर हाल ही में एक किताब को अनवील किया गया और किताब को लिखा है नसरीन मुनी कबीर ने, जिसका नाम है कन्वर्सेशन विद वहीदा रहमान। और इसी दौरान वहीदा से ये भी जानने के लिए कोशिश की गई कि क्या उन्होंने अपना नाम बदलने की इच्छा कभी रखी थी।
Rajkrishna said, it's not juicy, it's not sexy. I said, excuse me, so what do you mean is sexy? How can a name be sexy? He said, well, they can be sexy, but they never suggested any name. Keep this name. I said, no, this is the name given to me by my parents. I am not going to change it. And I'm not scared. I'm sitting with my mother. I've not run away from the house to. And what is the point? In the interview again they say this is the real name.
वहीदा ने जहां कई जानी मानी हस्तियों के साथ काम किया है, वहीं उनसे ये जानते हैं कि उनका गुरुदत्त के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा।
He was very sensitive and very, one thing very good about him was he used to understand the artist is having some problem, Then he immediately said, you're finding it difficult to do this way? Yes. Then he said, okay, doesn't matter.
जाहिर सी बात है, जब भी कोई अदाकार अपनी डेब्यू करता है तो मानो शायद उसे ये एहसास होता है कि ये पल यहीं थम जाए। कुछ ऐसा ही बयां किया वहीदा ने जब उन्होंने देवानंद के साथ भी अपना डेब्यू किया था।
Shooting was with Devanand for CI, produced by him. So Dev was very sweet, and one thing he said, I said, Mr. Anand, Dev Sahab and all that.
He was already a big star.
He was a very big star. And I was a fan of Devanand. So first day we were introduced, so actually, we were taught elders, you should give respect, Ji, Sahab, वगैरह वगैरह. So I said, Dev Sahab. He said, what? I said, Dev Sahab. I said, no, it is Dev. I know you are Dev, but no, I don't like to be called Dev Sahab. I said, what about Mr. Anand? No. Then what am I going to address you like? Dev. He said, how can I call you Dev? आप इतने बड़े हैं मेरे से, and I'm such a big star. No. If you want to work with me, call me Dev. I said, okay. So he's the only guy I call Dev. I mean, Sahab Ji, whatever.
इस मौके पर डायरेक्टर गुरुदत्त के दुनिया छोड़कर चले जाने पर भी बात हुई।
I can't say that because after that, Chaudhary Ka Chand was made. It was a super hit movie. So I don't know the reason why did he go into depression. Because after Kaagaz Ke Phool, Chaudhary Ka Chand was a very big hit. So that cannot be the reason.
वहीदा रहमान ने रंग दे बसंती और डेली 6 के दौरान हुई वर्कशॉप्स के किस्से भी शेयर किए।
Rang De Basanti, okay. So Rakesh was a workshop. I got it was a workshop. What workshop? How to do what to do.
Rakesh, you actually did a workshop with Wahida Rahman?
Not only for Rang De Basanti, for Delhi 6 also. So in Jaipur, everybody, all the artists, Om Puri and anybody except Abhishek, everybody was there. Workshop. So when my turn came, so obviously I didn't remember. I said, beta, iske baad blah 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 blah. Then everybody laughed. What is the blah blah? I said, I haven't memorized my lines. So I said, when the shot comes, by the time I will be prepared to do it.
आइए जानते हैं वहीदा से कि अगर उन्हें कभी अचानक से इमोशनल सीन करने के लिए कहा जाए तो वो कैसे मैनेज करेंगी।
That way you should give credit to all of us. So without any formal training, without being prepared for the scene at least, forget about the whole character, we did not do badly, performance-wise, I think.
राज कपूर के साथ वहीदा जी ने अपनी एक्टिंग एसोसिएशन को लेकर भी बात की।
As an actor, he was good. He was like a child. He would not interfere with the director. But knowing that something is going wrong, then he will script to me, this is very bad. ये क्या हो रहा है? क्यों हो रहा है? कैसे हो रहा है? I said, why don't you tell the director, especially in तीसरी कसम? Basu was the first time.
Basu Bhattacharya was-
Basu Bhattacharya. I said, Raji, please tell him. He said, no, I put on makeup, I'm an actor. I said, don't then eat my bheja, you know. It's bad, it's wrong, and things like that. No, I'm only an actor, so I'm not going to interfere.
इस किताब में जहाँ कई बातें वहीदा के बारे में हैं, तो वहीं एक वाकया उन्होंने सबके साथ कुछ यूं बांटा।
Shooting there, they said, it's here. So it went on, so they got up, worked up and angry. They didn't let us see the shoot. So we were both coming back to Bombay and we got into the train started moving and again it stopped. We said, we don't know what is the reason. Again it started, again it stopped. So Raji and he was traveling with two of his friends. They went out and saw a crowd of 1,000 students this side and the other side. He said, oh my God, what is
Let's
happening?
stop the train.
They stopped the train. And then they came and said, we want to see you and all that. And Raji went at the door and he said, okay, namaste. Then they were saying, your production people this to us, which is not fair. He said, acha, okay, bye-bye. He said, what bye-bye? Do you want to see Wahida Rehman? No, you can't see Wahida Rehman. Why? She's a lady. What do you mean by lady? She's working in movies. We are her fan too. So we want to see her personally. He said, no, like a child. So I told Raji quietly, Raji, please keep standing there from behind. I'll just do like this. So no, आपको बड़ा शौक है अपना चेहरा दिखाने का. I said, very funny, working the movies. What do you mean by चेहरा दिखाने का शौक?
कबीर की इस किताब के जरिए जहां वहीदा रहमान की जिंदगी के कई पहलुओं को नजदीक से बयां किया गया है, वहीं आप भी इनकी जिंदगी को करीब से जान सकते हैं इस किताब के माध्यम से। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्क, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।